With the increasing advancement of artificial intelligence, it is becoming the talk of the town these days. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science whose main goal is to produce intelligent machines that have the ability to perform tasks that require human intelligence. It is actually kind of simulation of human intelligence for a computer and in fact a machine that has the ability to imitate human behavior. But does artificial intelligence, also known as AI, have the capability to take our place? Today we are going to answer this question. The first question is, are you ready for the future? 100 years ago, a cartoonist named H.G. Webster drew a cartoon for the New York World newspaper with the title, "In 2023, when all our work is done with electricity." In this drawing, a machine named Cartoon Dynamo can be clearly seen, which automatically takes the idea and draws cartoons based on it. Is this not familiar to you? And that's why this cartoon went viral, because it accurately predicted the future. It can be said that the same thing will happen again in the future. But are all your wildest dreams about AI going to come true? Even now, artificial intelligence has enough power to do some of the tasks of humans, and we use it to do many tasks that seemed impossible before. This advancement of AI has many people worried about their job security, so that now they are looking for jobs where artificial intelligence does not threaten to destroy them. But what jobs is AI usually suitable for? Most jobs that require high physical and cognitive strength are subject to replacement by robots. With these interpretations, it may come to the aid of these jobs in the future to make the work of humans easier. But it can never imitate the level of human emotion and social intelligence required by these jobs, at least as far as we know. Kai-Fu Lee, co-founder of Sinovation Ventures, points out some of its main weaknesses, improving the inability of artificial intelligence to replace humans and some jobs. First of all, lack of authority in complex strategic planning. Second, artificial intelligence cannot perform tasks that require precise hand-eye coordination. And we can point out the weakness in working in unknown or unstructured space and tasks that require empathy and human emotions as other limitations. And at the same time, in order for humans to adapt to the world of artificial intelligence, they need a human workforce to train them. Also, we will need a lot of people for the process of adopting new technology. So what exactly will AI do? Many experts believe that one of the greatest blessings of artificial intelligence is its ability to save humans from doing repetitive and boring tasks, so that their time is freed for doing more complex and valuable projects, or they can rest more. The concern of replacing part of the current tasks of workers with technology is completely appropriate. But in fact, instead of being eliminated, those tasks go to things that are more productive. Until this moment, technology has put more effort on the hands of humans because we have to learn how to use it, and this process is a bit time consuming and exhausting. But some believe that we will soon reach a turning point in history, so that artificial intelligence reverses this process and takes the burden off the shoulders of humans. But is artificial intelligence scary? In fact, people like to compare artificial intelligence to electricity. But it took several generations for electricity to go from an idea to being available in most homes. While today, the impact of technology and the resulting social changes are happening at a much faster rate. This put more pressure on people to adapt to new conditions. Nothing can be done. In order to survive and develop, We must adapt ourselves to new conditions. And everything goes back to the first question: are you ready for the future?